If you want to be amazing on stage, the fastest way from good to great to unforgettable is coaching. Get a coach. Look, back in the 1990s, I wanted to be great. I thought I was pretty good, but I worked really hard, but I didn't know those tiny little adjustments to make that would make all the difference to connect me to my audience. It wasn't until 2001 when I met my coach, Mark Brown, when everything changed. Not just that one speech, but all of my speaking. Check this out. Here's some clips from an early version of my championship speech. This is version 3.0, and then you'll see clips, the exact same line from version 23, the World Championship speech. And you decide if coaching made a huge difference.
You remember a moment when an idea jumped into your head? Can you remember a moment when a brilliant idea flashed into your head? It was perfect. You could feel the enthusiasm reach your eyes. It was perfect for you. And then all of a sudden, in the back of your brain, this tiny little thought started forcing its way to the front to be heard. And then all of a sudden, that little thought said, but what if you... And then all of a sudden, from the depths of your brain, another thought started forcing its way forward through the enthusiasm until finally it shouted, yeah, great idea, but what if you... Fall on your face. What do you do when you fall on your face? Do you try and jump up quick so no one else notices? Do you think maybe it's not worth the risk? Are you more concerned with what other people will think than what you can learn from this? Fall on your face. What do you do when you fall on your face? Do you try and jump right up and hope no one noticed? Are you more concerned with what other people will think than what you can learn from this? Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and guests. What do you do when you fall on your face? What do you expect? Mr. Contest Chair, friends, and the people way in the back. Ouch! Did you feel I stayed down too long? Have you ever stayed down too long?
So if you want to be unforgettable, get a coach. Whether it's me, my company, my coaches, or someone else, please get a coach. Don't waste time like I did. We have a live event, Get Coached to Speak. You can check that out where you can do live coaching with Mark Brown and me. We also have one-on-one coaching, getaspeakingcoach.com. Check it out and work with the coach that works best for you. So if you're on a tight budget, how can you get coached by a world-class coach? That's why I created Stage Time University. Check out Stage Time University. We have live coaching calls where you as a member can get coached. 3 options, which works best for you.